Hey, everyone, welcome back to For Wheels Empire. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Vdiagtool VD10 OBD2 Scanner, a budget-friendly yet powerful tool that can help you diagnose your car's problems in seconds. If you've ever seen a check engine light and had no idea what was wrong, this little gadget might be exactly what you need. Let's get into it. If you're interested, I've dropped a link in the description for more details and where to buy. Be sure to check it out. VD10 Carcode Reader Auto Scan Tool featured with a clear two-line display LCD screen, white backlight and contrast adjustment. Plug and play, no need for batteries or a charger. This car diagnostic scanner could get power directly from the OBD to data link connector in your vehicle. Vdiagtool VD10 Carcode Reader is an incredibly useful OBD scanner for each car owner or hobbyist, even for those with little to no experience when it comes to vehicle mechanics. Using this car diagnostic scanner is extremely easy. All you have to do is attach it to your car OBD port and you can diagnose car problems in seconds. Read codes, DTCs, clear codes, live data. View freeze frame, readiness, vehicle information. VD10 Check Engine Code Reader brings a fast access to scan, read the car fault code, show its definition on the screen instantly, troubleshooting to find the root causes of problems, erase the engine fault code and turn off the mill car code reader. This OBD readers and scan tool supports all OBD protocols: CAN, ISO 9141, KWP200, J185OPWM, J1850 VPW, compatible with 99% OBD compliant vehicles, post-1996 US-based, post-2006 for EU-based and post-2009 for Asian-based, 12 volts cars, SUVs, light trucks. You will get 3 years warranty and lifetime free update when buying this multifunction VD10 OBD scanner for car. It can support 6 languages: English, Russian, Italian, Spanish, German, French. Pros: affordable, easy to use, live data, compact and portable. And cons: no Bluetooth or app connectivity, basic display, no touchscreen, limited advanced features for professional mechanics. So, is the Vdiagtool VD10 worth it? If you need a simple, reliable scanner for everyday car diagnostics, absolutely. You can grab one for under $100 on Amazon. I'll drop a link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.